I bring to your notice what is happening in Ogun State under your governor, Dapo Abiodun. Look at the condition of this road. This is Moko Junction that connects to Ayotoro, to Lafenwa, and it connects them to Ayobo, Ipaja, Ogun State. Imagine over 100 of roads like this in Ogun State. I have come to show you that your governor is doing nothing. We voted for him, we campaigned for him, we voted for him, but he has this nonchalant attitude to the plight of the people. And the one that pains us most is that federal government is giving heavy allocation to the states. More than anything in the history of Nigeria, federal government is sending money to all the states. Imagine, you will be shocked to know that over 200 billion to 400 billion are being released by federal government to all the local governments in Nigeria every month, but yet nothing is happening. Ogun State is collecting 3 times allocation of what he used to collect, but nothing is happening. He has spent 4 years, he has spent 2 years of second tenure, and from your governor's body language, it is sure that he's not going to do anything. Now, our president have cried. Silu is crying, and the man is doing everything so that the grassroots can feel the benefits of democracy. That was why he fought with his 36-day governor, so that local government can have autonomy, they can have financial independence. But the governor don't want it to happen, especially in Ogun State. We have been to other states. We have been to Oyo, we have been to Osun State, we have been to Ondo State. We have seen how they construct roads. We have been to Ekiti, but Ogun State is different. We don't know why. And don't forget, major churches in Nigeria, leading churches, their headquarters are in Ogun State. The first church in Nigeria was in Ogun State. Redeem headquarters, Ogun State. MFM headquarters, Ogun State. Winners headquarters, Ogun State. Government, Ogun State. But look at the state. This is not normal. That is why we are calling out our governor. We will not allow him to leave this state like this. You cannot spend 8 years and we cannot see the justification of the huge allocation that you are collecting every month. We will not allow Governor Abiodun to leave Ogun State like this. At least you must construct 60% of this road before you leave. And that's why we are giving him 2 months to start visible work on this road. If nothing is done by end of this year, by January next year, we are going to House of Assembly. We are going to petition the governor. We are going to EFCC office. We are going to petition the governor. We are going to ICPC office. We will petition him. And above all, we are going to report him to God. Viewers, we need your comments. We need your word. And we need your prayers. Because we are going around the state, you can imagine. The vehicle has stopped. They couldn't move again. They dare not move. Those ones are coming from Lagos, Yanakwaja, to Ogun State. They can't come in. Look at the one up here. They are stopped. They are stopped. Show them. Up there, they can't cross. They can't cross. Look at people standing. They have become a size. This is wickedness. Wickedness is wicked on the other. Ogun State will be better. Amen. And we go around Ogun State like this. And we're going to be showing you a bit what is. And we believe God that God now will use. He will take it and the war will start. Amen. My name remains Olawe Yekayode, and I speak for the 70% population of Ogun State who are majorly Christians. The Lord bless you. The Lord honors you in Jesus' name.